Can you imagine? What I came back. So he doesn't back. He come back.
Find another one.
So. Yeah, when you're in my back. Come on, go to chill. Come on,
This man, he knows. There's the top of it.
I told you that he
knows it.
He knows it. But some of us will be thinking the whole life before we can get it.
Oh, he's talking. There's the egg. Oh.
Hey.
Now trim the fish.
Too amazing.
Yeah. What's it? We're gonna go right up the people. Let me go.
Ma, let me go. Mata. The dapna la kufuna. Nyanya chila.
Come on,
It's talking.
crying.
Yeah.
Come on. Today, your day.
Okay, now let me say it very well for you. Okay, now open him. Good.
I don't find that. Yeah.
Okay.
This one went down really deep. There he is. You can see the little chamber that it makes right here. He's going to dig that all the way and try to get to that cocoon where the fish is actually at. There he's coming to it right there. Do you hear the fish making noise? Pull this fish out. Now this is a bigger one. Okay, he can go ahead. And there is the mudfish.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. There he is. Hey, fine.